In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix search function. So for example, if you click on start and you start typing something, control panel or something, and nothing is showing up over here, my search function works though. But if nothing's showing up over here, I'll show you how to fix that. I already made a video about how to fix this issue, but if none of those steps did actually help you, there's one more part that we can do to fix this issue before reinstalling operation system. So this is basically a second part to that video. So the first video you can find in the description below. So first thing we need to do, we need to press on Windows and R, or right click on start and click on run. And right here we need to type regedit. Basically we need to open registry editor and then click OK. Right here we need to expand HKey, current user. Then we need to expand software. Then we need to find Microsoft, expand Microsoft. Then we need to scroll down and find Windows and then expand that. Then we need to expand current version. And then we need to find search. Click on search. And then this box, you need to right click on it and click on new. And then click on dword 32-bit value. And we need to name this value Bing search enabled. And then press enter. And we have to make sure we capitalize B, S, and E. Then we need to double click on it. And we have to make sure that hexadecimal value is set to 0. And then click OK. And then one more thing we need to do, and we need to click on Cortana consent. And then we have to make sure that value is set to 0 on hexadecimal as well. And then we need to click OK. And that's it. This is done. Now we can close the registry. We need to restart the computer. And then we can try and see if this is actually going to fix our search function. And this is should. Thanks for watching.